Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to do Ganesha with clay. Start by clearing a flat workspace and arranging tools within reach. Mix clay to a workable consistency and pull reference images close. Cut a short length of wire for the armature and shape a simple base. Keep a small bowl of water and a sponge nearby to smooth joins and avoid cracks while you sculpt the basic forms. Form the wire armature to map head, torso, and limb placement, ensuring proportions feel natural. Pack larger clay masses for the belly and head, then score and slip the joining surfaces before connecting. Use a wooden tool to block out the trunk, ears, and general limb positions without detailing yet. Keep the figure balanced on its base and refine proportions from multiple angles before moving to finer shaping and decoration. Work slowly to carve the trunk, eyes, and ears using small loop tools and dental picks for precision. Attach ornaments and the crown separately, blending seams carefully and adding texture for cloth and jewelry. Create the folded hand gesture and place the modak or sweet in the palm as an added element. Keep smoothing joins and checking symmetry, then allow the sculpture to dry evenly to avoid warping before final paint or varnish.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.